Good morning, it's me, Gmail. So the question is that Udemy versus Udacity. I'm going to show you both on the screen, but before that, I wanna give you my quick opinion. My quick opinion is that back in the days, I was against Udemy. Right now, Udemy courses are some of the best and they are super cheap. Again, yeah, Skillshare. There's Skillshare. This is not video of Skillshare. Skillshare is also good. It's much better value for money. Skillshare is like Netflix. You pay per month. You get access to all of the courses. Or it's like Linda, but some of the courses in Udemy are not available on Skillshare anywhere. So, in my opinion, I will recommend Udemy compared to the Udacity. I have around 4 courses, 2 upcoming courses on Udemy. I make money by selling courses. Yes, I'm teaching on Udemy. Back in 2015-16, I was teaching for Udacity. I was earning around 5,000 US dollar per month from Udacity. Now Udacity Nano Degree is costing you around 10,000 US dollar, $3,000 per month. It's ridiculously expensive, and the problem with Udacity is that they lose their motto, they lose their goal. They really, the problem is that Udacity cannot realize what really they wanna be. They cannot understand there's billion now, okay, not billion, millions, okay, not million, hundreds, okay, hundreds. Let's be precise. There's hundreds of competitors: Data Camp, Free Code Camp, Code Combat. I mean, Skillshare, Learn Online, uh, Teachable. There's like many others online platform where you can learn. Udacity is not only the game in the town. Tech degree from Team 3 is only $199 per month. Anyway, let's jump to the screen and then let me continue my rant. So let me go to Udemy first, and then okay, okay, and let me go to my profile. Oh, because I'm already teaching, but first I want to show you some of my courses, like for example, like Mangool SEO, and not Mango, Mangool SEO. Okay, okay, let me show you some courses. Also, let me open the Udacity. In my opinion, Udacity is like gone mad for their pricing structure. Okay, okay, this is my course. Let me just open in the private browser, Safari, private new tab, and Udemy. Okay, Mangool SEO. Again, I hate this autocorrect feature. Mangool, not Mango, Mangool. You idiot, MacBook. Okay, let me, come on. So let me, yeah, you can see my course on. Let me show you my other courses. Click my name, Umair Rame, and you can see here. Okay, let me click here. So yeah, I have over 20,000 students and I have 4 courses. And if you just search the and like courses, they're quite cheap. For example, like these courses I'm thinking to get. Okay, some of the these are the courses are expensive. I think I have to remove this one, but most of the time you can get courses for like 12 bucks. Like these are the courses I'm going to buy, and also these in my wish list are some African history courses. I love introduction to travel writing. So yeah, so over, for example, like if I want to get like master the Airbnb or 50, or even like 8 types, for example, like Python, I can get some like 64-hour total for $10 only. Now let's check our Udemy. For example, like Udemy, we wanna go with the, okay, Python, right? Or for example, like introduction to programming, which was the first Udacity Nano degree I did in 2015. Come on. Now you look at the stupid price. I pay for this nano degree, you know how much? 200 US dollar. Entire this nano degree, I pay only 200 US dollar in 2015. 200. Now they are asking me $3,129 or $10,000. I mean, this price is ridiculous. Let me be like, okay, this is really $10,000. It's not like 1,000, 10,636. You know, I mean, you know what to do. Like, there's much better courses on Udemy. I highly recommend Udemy. 100 times better than price to ratio compared to Udacity. I hope it help you personally. Even if I have taught for Udacity, I earn around $5,000 for digital marketing nano degree. Don't get me wrong, I taught. That do not mean that I can recommend at this ridiculous price. I also have courses on Udemy. I also have courses on Skillshare. Okay, but in my personal opinion, Udemy is the superior.